if you've never seen a microwave fire before, it can be terrifying before it blows the cavity thermostat. By law, we have a little thermostat above here. This microwave catches on fire, the cavity gets real hot, bop, it pops open, and it kills the line, the line hot going to the microwave. It cannot operate, all right? But when that catches on fire, the microwaves actually intensify the flame, and it turns it into like a lamp almost, like it'll freaking glow. You can watch people doing it on YouTube. It's freaking scary.